Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to make a power supply with LM317. It's really simple, so you need few components and couple minutes for make this circuit. So in this project we need breadboard, LM317, potentiometer, voltmeter module, and also breadboard wire. The LM317 is a popular adjustable positive linear voltage regulator. It was designed by Robert C. Dupkin in 1976 while he worked at National Semiconductor. The LM337 is the negative complement to the LM317, which regulates voltage below a reference. It was designed by Robert Pease, who also worked for National Semiconductor. LM317 output voltage range is between 1 and 37 volts. And maximum output current is 1.5 amp. The LM317 has 3 pins: input, output, and ADJ or adjustment. Thanks everyone for watching this video. You can support this channel with subscribe, like and comment.